Investing in Bitcoin can be exciting, even life-changing, but it can also be incredibly risky if you're not careful. In today's video, I am diving deep into the 5 most deadly Bitcoin investing mistakes that you absolutely must avoid if you want to protect your money and grow your crypto wealth. Whether you're just starting out or you've been in the crypto game for a while, these insights will help you make smarter, safer decisions. Let's face it, Bitcoin is everywhere. From the news to your social media feed, it's easy to get caught up in the hype. With stories of people turning a few $100s into thousands or even millions, it's tempting to jump in with both feet. But what you don't hear as often are the stories of people who lost everything because they made one or more of these avoidable mistakes. Let's start with mistake number 1. Investing more than you can afford to lose. This is probably the most dangerous and common trap investors fall into. The crypto market is extremely volatile. Prices can rise and fall by 20% or more in a single day. If you're putting in money you need for rent, bills, or emergency expenses, you're taking on too much risk. Bitcoin is not a guaranteed win. It's a higher risk, higher reward investment. You should only invest what you're financially and emotionally prepared to lose. Mistake number 2. Not doing enough research. Too many people buy Bitcoin or any crypto based on what they see on TikTok or Twitter. That's a recipe for disaster. Before you invest a single dollar, you should understand the basics of how Bitcoin works, what blockchain technology is, and how the crypto market behaves. Research isn't just reading headlines. It's about understanding things like transaction fees, wallet security, regulation, and the difference between investing and trading. You also need to learn how to read charts, understand market trends, and follow reliable sources, not just hype. Mistake number 3. Lacking a long-term strategy. Bitcoin isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It's a long-term game. Many new investors get in, see a price dip, panic sell, and then regret it when the price goes back up. Others chase price spikes and end up buying high and selling low. Having a strategy means setting goals. Do you want to hold for 5 years? Are you looking for short-term gains? Are you using dollar cost averaging to reduce risk over time? Without a clear plan, it's easy to make impulsive decisions that cost you big. Mistake number 4. Not diversifying your portfolio. Some people think Bitcoin is the only crypto worth owning. While it is the most dominant and widely known, putting all your money into one asset, Bitcoin's risky. What happens if a regulation hits or the market shifts? Diversification is about spreading your risk. That might mean holding other top cryptos like Ethereum, stablecoins, or even keeping a portion of your portfolio in traditional assets like stocks or bonds. Diversification doesn't guarantee profits, but it does offer protection against unexpected market changes. Mistake number 5. Poor security practices. Security is everything in the crypto space. Unlike banks, crypto wallets don't have customer service hotlines. If you lose your private keys or fall victim to a phishing scam, your money's going to permanently. This is why it's so important to use secure wallets. Enable 2-factor authentication and never share your seed phrase with anyone. Consider using a hardware wallet for long-term holdings and be skeptical of suspicious emails, links, or fake giveaways promising free Bitcoin. The crypto world can be rewarding, but it's also full of scams. Stay alert. Let me share a quick story to emphasize this. A friend of mine got into Bitcoin during the 2021 bull run. He was excited, hopeful, and thought it would be his ticket to early retirement. But he made almost every mistake we just talked about. He overinvested, didn't research, panic sold during a dip, and left his crypto on an unsecured exchange that eventually got hacked. Within 6 months, he had lost nearly 80% of his investment. It was heartbreaking, and all of it could have been prevented. That's why I made this video, not to scare you, but to educate and empower you to make better decisions. The truth is, Bitcoin can still be a powerful tool for building wealth, but only if approached with the right mindset, knowledge, and discipline. So, to wrap up, only invest what you can afford to lose. Do your research, don't just follow hype. Build a long-term strategy and stick to it. Diversify to reduce risk. Protect your assets with strong security practices. By avoiding these 5 mistakes, you will not only reduce your chances of major losses, but also increase your chances of long-term success in the world of cryptocurrency. You found this video helpful? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more crypto investing tips and financial advice. And I'd love to hear from you. Have you made any of these mistakes in your investing journey? Share your story in the comments below so we can all learn together. Till next time, stay smart, stay safe, and invest wisely.